The beauty and importance of fields. A field is an open space that is often covered with grass and plants. Fields can be found in many places around the world. They are important for nature and for people. Fields can vary in size. Some fields are very large, stretching for miles, while others are small areas where people can play or relax. No matter the size, fields are beautiful and provide a place to enjoy the outdoors. There are different types of fields. Some fields are used for farming. Farmers grow crops like wheat, corn, and rice in these fields. These crops are important for food production. Other fields are used for sports, such as soccer, football, and baseball. These fields are specially designed for playing and often have lines painted on the ground. People enjoy playing games in these fields, making them lively and fun places. Some fields exist just for nature. They're filled with wildflowers and tall grass, providing homes for animals and insects. These fields are peaceful places to visit. In spring, they're full of colorful flowers, with butterflies and bees flying around. This is a lovely sight. In summer, fields are green and vibrant. The grass grows tall, and children often play there. They run, jump, and have fun in the warm weather. In fall, the leaves change color, and fields may display shades of orange, yellow, and red. It is a wonderful time to take walks and enjoy the scenery. In winter, fields can be covered in snow, creating a soft, white blanket. Children can build snowmen and have snowball fights, making winter in the fields exciting. Many activities can be enjoyed in a field. People like to have picnics, bringing food and blankets to sit on. It is nice to eat outside and enjoy the fresh air. Some people enjoy flying kites in the open space, where they can watch their kites soar high in the sky. Fields are also great for sports. Many children play soccer or football there, running and kicking the ball with friends. Playing sports helps them stay active and healthy. In some fields, people practice archery or fly drones, as these activities require space and focus. Fields are also home to many animals. Birds often build nests in the grass, and their songs fill the air in the morning. Rabbits and squirrels run through the fields, playing and finding food. Fields attract insects, too. Butterflies and bees are crucial for pollination, helping flowers grow by spreading pollen. This is essential for nature. Some fields may have larger animals like cows and horses, grazing peacefully in rural areas. Watching these animals is a lovely experience that connects us with nature. Fields are important for many reasons. They provide food for people because farmers grow crops that feed families. Without fields, we would not have enough food to eat. Fields also offer a place for recreation, allowing people to relax and have fun. Parks and open fields give everyone a chance to enjoy nature, which is vital for our health and happiness. Moreover, fields are beneficial for the environment. They help clean the air we breathe, as plants in the field absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. This keeps our planet healthy. I love visiting the field near my house. It is a great place to spend time outdoors with my family and friends. We often play games, have picnics, and enjoy nature together. The field serves as a peaceful escape from the busy city. I can hear the birds singing and the wind blowing, which makes me feel calm and relaxed. Sometimes I take my sketchbook to the field to draw the flowers and animals I see. This activity helps me connect with nature, and I feel inspired by the beauty around me. The field in my community is well kept and has a playground for children, complete with swings, slides, and climbing structures. Kids laugh and play together there, creating a happy atmosphere. The community also organizes events in the field, such as festivals during the summer. There are games, food stalls, and music, bringing everyone together to celebrate. In spring, we have a flower festival where people plant flowers, transforming the field into a colorful display of blooms. Families come to enjoy the sights and smells, making it a joyful event for all. One of my favorite memories is a picnic we had in the field. My family prepared sandwiches, fruit, and drinks, and we brought a big blanket to sit on. The weather was perfect. The sun was shining and the sky was blue. We found a nice spot under a tree. As we ate, we watched the clouds and talked about our day. After eating, we played games, flew kites, and ran around, laughing and enjoying each other's company. It was a wonderful day in the field, filled with happiness and laughter. Fields are special places that offer beauty, fun, and food. I love visiting the field in my community because it is a place to relax and enjoy nature. Fields are essential for our environment and well-being, providing space for various activities. Whether for farming or playing, fields bring joy to our lives, and I am grateful for the fields around me that make life more enjoyable.